Hi, this is Elvin here, and welcome to the Trade Your Edge channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome. My name is Elvin, and I'm the creator and founder of TradeYourEdge.com and also this Trade Your Edge YouTube channel. Right, on a weekly basis, I follow up with the market, especially on the euro dollar, the pound dollar, and gold. If this is something for you, then make sure to check and subscribe to our channel. Right. So in front of me, I have the weekly price action chart on euro dollar. If this is the first time watching it, make sure to replay my video from last week where I show you how I drew my trend lines. Okay, in front of me, I have price action moving. So euro dollar. On a larger time frame, it's slightly going downwards. I'm now waiting for a new high, which is for price to move above this level at 1.246. Once price goes above that, there is a clear confirmation of a change of long-term trend. Right now, what I have in front of me is the consolidation, and this is so this started early July, sorry, end of July, kind of consolidation. Price has been choppy around this area. This is especially during the U.S. Presidential election where Donald Trump was defeated. Looking at price action, price has moved above this little box here, and it has moved with aggression. Meaning there is a long bar, long bull bar, and it's very interesting because this week price gave me a very nice little inside bar. Uh, for those who trade inside bars, this is a good consolidation pattern. For me, this is a very nice little pullback, and this will give me a strong indication where price will go higher or lower. Right? Of course, following the pattern, it's not surprising that price would go higher based on the trend continuation pattern. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at. If I were to look at the daily charts, it's just the last week has been really slow moving. Is price gonna go straight up? Not too sure, but I would be very keen to put some orders during this consolidation pattern. Okay, and that's euro dollar for me. Moving on to pound sterling. Pound sterling, very interestingly, this horizontal resistance or the ceiling at 1.34 is holding on very nicely. Price retested it, bounced back. Very exciting. If I were to look at time frame at a smaller, sorry, look at price at a smaller time frame. Price has just bounced back downwards. Is it going to go full down? To be seen. Very interestingly, I see some small little patterns happening around here. Let's just see. Yep, very nice trending channel happening. Price retested it back here. Now to see if price will continue higher or not. Right, so this is what I'm looking for. Yes. Now this may be a long, slow but bullish crawl upwards. So the next thing to see is if price will go above this level, and once it goes there, then we have a new a breakout pattern in a sense that it has broken up a very strong resistance. Now, as you can see, the resistance is real. A price tested it, gave it a little pin bar, and came back down. Will the bulls come back stronger? Potentially. If I were to follow the patterns, then yes, there's a high chance that price will go higher. Okay, so this is pound dollar for me. I'm looking at how price is going to break through this level, and if I can see some momentum or convictional patterns. On on the bigger time frame, not surprising because there's a very nice little pin bar here to show that there is a reversal pattern. Right? For those who don't look at the money charts, maybe you can have a look here. This is a clear inverse head and shoulder. This is the left shoulder, and I'm waiting to see if this is a right shoulder. Is it going to break higher? This is a shoulder in the making. Okay, very exciting, very exciting. Okay, so that's how I look at price action. Next, we have gold. Gold, for those who are not aware, is testing a very strong psychological level at the $2,000 mark. After it touched that level, price is just consolidating downwards. It's giving me a descending triangle. As you can see, the patterns. So for those who are not aware, descending triangles are a little bit harder to predict because the formations are never clear until it's fully formed. Nonetheless, I am looking for a pattern to see if this will break downwards or not, or is it going to go on a bullish breakout. What I do like, as always, is once price is consolidating, it's just like a spring being squashed on both sides. And the more you squash it, the stronger the potential breakout. All right, so time will tell. It's been a little bit quiet on the goal. Once it's ready to move, I guarantee you it would move again. All right, so that's something to watch. Last but not least, I have the the euro pound cross. The euro pound, this cross, I've been watching the range for a while now. It's been ranging since, let's see, if I would say accurately, around Q3 of 2016. Price has been ranging around there. We know that there were pre-sig in the last couple of months, couple of recent years. While pre-sig doesn't happen overnight, and even if the agreement goes through, the impact would come in slowly as far as the euro and the British relationship. The bond has been built. It doesn't break overnight. As they say, Rome is not built in one day, right? The same is true. So it will take time. With that, I am staying away from the market. Nothing that's shouting to my face to trade yet. Apart from euro dollar, I will just sit aside and wait. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much and happy trading.